Hello again folks, and welcome to a special Christmas Day unboxing. I know what a couple of these are, and given that there's only a couple, I suppose that means I know what they both are.
No way.
So I've had a couple of these. Merry Christmas. Anyway, that being said, right, so which one am I opening first? Mrs. Pix is here. Give a little hello.
Hi.
Hi.
This one first, I think.
This one. Right, okay folks. So this is something. God, I'm pickled. This is something I've been after quite a long time, and my good lady knows that one thing, what makes my day and puts a smile on my face, is being able to give back to this wonderful community. She knows what it means to me. So here we go. The grand unveiling, ladies and gentlemen, folks. Wow. So this side was designed by me. This is my design. And this side was designed by my better half. So there we go. The next Pix poker chips are out, folks. I've got a box full here. They'll be sent out here, there and everywhere. If you're in my address book, then you will be getting one at some point. Obviously, I won't be sending them all out at once because I'm not made of money. So you'll see these trickling into the community here, there and everywhere, as and when, here, you know, every now and then. So yeah, there we go. Next Pix poker chips, folks. Thank you very much, my love.
Merry Christmas.
They are awesome. How awesome are those? Alright, I'll leave those there so you can all ogle them. Now, for this one is from my mum and my good wife. They're both chipped in. They never wanted this. I've wanted this for ages. I know what it is, obviously, but not all of you do. So,
Oh no.
what kind of key has 2 feet but can't open a lock?
I wonder what that might be.
A turkey.
Oh, you're not supposed to guess it yet.
I'm full of dad jokes. I know all the answers to shit jokes. What do you mean I'm not supposed to guess it?
You're supposed to guess it.
I didn't guess it, I knew the answer. That joke's as old as me. Yes, it's parcel.
You can't have it yet.
No, can't have it yet. Oh, for heaven's sake.
There you go, the answer.
Sorry guys, ruined the fun.
Get it.
I'm just a typical dad. Oh yeah, had to ruin that, didn't I? There you go. Oh.
It's a little bit funny.
Hilarious. Oh, here we go. There we go. And a nice little message from RWB. Let's get into this. Da, 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 da. As followers know, I've been getting into my Disdainer picks recently. Very nice. And like I say, my lovely dear Ma and my wonderful best friend, my wife, have both chipped in together to get me this. And what is this? I will show you what this is. I will hopefully show you what this is.
Eventually. You can do it.
Oh, it'd be easier if it had a lock on it, wouldn't it? Cha.
Need a big ah.
Ah. Yeah, there we go. Look, the RWB Custom pick set for disc detainer locks with some different tips. We got a disc turner, got a lovely key ring. We'll go with bottle opener. That will go with my bottle. I'll start again. Bottle opener collection. There we go. So yeah, thank you, everybody, supporters, friends. You'll all be getting one of these. And special thanks to my mum and my dear wife, and also RWB. Thank you so much, mate. You know why, but thank you. And yeah, well, all your kindnesses, Jan. Thank you very much. So that's it for now. So today I'm going to leave it here because I'm pickled. And I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll be testing this bad boy out. That's it for now, folks. Till next time. Take care. Bye-bye.